Why is my cat Peanut so happy? Because it's finally come time to upgrade my original old Kobo to a brand new Kobo Libra Colour. So we're going to upgrade our Kobo, and Peanut loves sitting in my office, in my chair, cuddling and reading and drinking coffee. He doesn't drink coffee. I drink the coffee. He doesn't read either. He likes cuddling. So I read, I drink coffee, he cuddles. So anyways, the whole point of this video is I've recently upgraded to the new Kobo Libra Colour. It's, well, new to me. It's been out for a little bit now. And there are 5 reasons why I decided to do that. And I'm going to share those 5 reasons with you here in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Frank and this is my little gray cat Peanut. There's a little black cat somewhere around here named Blossom. She may make an appearance during this video. And I've been teaching for many years, and as part of teaching, you have to do a lot of reading. Plus, I just like reading in general, so I read a lot of novels. But a lot of the reading I do will be things like technical manuals or different magazine articles or PDFs. And that's actually reason number 1 why I decided to upgrade from my old Kobo to a new Libra Colour Kobo. The first reason is color. Now, I'm not really fussy about color in terms of, I must have it or something, or at least I didn't think I was fussy about it until I realized how many of the books that I was reading, how many of the different PDFs that I'm using for research have charts and diagrams in them that are in color. And this becomes a real challenge when you're trying to do reading that involves seeing the difference between different aspects of something that are color-coded in the book. So the reason number 1 that I upgraded from my old Kobo to the new Libra Colour is color. The second reason that I've decided to go with a new Kobo, and I didn't just go from old Kobo to new Kobo. In between, I had an iPad that I was using quite a bit for reading. I still do. And I still have a Kindle as well, because I bought into the Kindle ecosystem some time ago because I was getting books from Amazon. But the second reason why I decided to go for the new Libra is because I'm able to work with more file formats. So it's very, very easy to just go onto my Google Drive or onto my Dropbox, take PDFs that I want to research and work with, simply drag them into the folder on the Google Drive and the Dropbox, and they magically appear on my Libra. So that's a great thing. That's super helpful for me. The third reason that I decided to go for the new Kobo as well, and it's not a reason that I've really explored extensively yet, but it does have Overdrive or Libby support, which means that I can go to my public library online and I can sign out books that I can bring onto the device. This is a great way if I want to test out a book, or if I want to have some books that maybe I don't want in my library permanently, but I just want to grab a copy. I can grab them from my local library. So that's a pretty fantastic feature as well. The fourth feature is really quite important to me, and even with my Kindle, so I still have a Kindle Oasis because I have a lot of books on that library, but both these devices, but specifically this one here, is waterproof. So I do travel when I'm reading, and when I travel, I'm commuting. And one of the things that was really important to me was that I wanted to have an e-reader that wasn't subject to getting wet and then breaking, basically. So obviously you do not want to use your iPad in the rain, and this I could use in light snowy conditions and a little bit of light rain. Just wipe it off and life is good. So the waterproof feature of the Kobo Libra Colour is extremely important to me. And the fifth and final reason why I wanted to get the new Kobo is because you can get a stylus with it. And this is a very powerful way to be able to mark up PDFs, take notes. You can even have a notebook that you can use. And that becomes a great way to not just have novels that you're reading, but you can actually interact with different documents such as PDFs or any type of research that you're doing, and you can take notes, then bring it back to your computer and be able to continue with your research of that particular article or that book that you're working with, because your notes can transfer over. So those are the 5 reasons why I've chosen to upgrade my old Kobo from 2009 to a brand new Kobo 2025. I think it came out in 2024. 15 years have gone by and they've come a long ways. But you know what? At the end of the day, they're all about reading more books. I still have books on my old Kobo that I can read because they're novels, and this works perfectly fine to have lying around, and I can just pick it up and read a book. This works great for commuting and taking with me wherever I go, taking notes on this device, having that waterproof feature, having the color diagrams that I need, and within this Kobo ecosystem, I can have, well, I can't put any more books on this. This is outdated now. This is 2009, but I can put documents and books on here very easily, and I think I'm going to enjoy this. I think it's going to be a great little e-reader to carry around with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on how we can use technology to learn and teach more effectively, think about hitting the like and subscribing, and more importantly, share this with others that may be making this decision for themselves or interested in learning in technology. Thank you so much for watching.